Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to use any song, you heard me right, any song as a ringtone. So basically to change our ringtone right, you just need to go to settings right here, click on sounds and haptics and choose ringtone right there. So this is where we change our ringtones and I think opening is by default. So from here, you already have an option that you can buy from the Tone Store or Apple Music Store, something like that, and then just set it up for any song. However, for this one, you need to buy. Okay? Now, I have an option here that you can do it for free for any song. The first thing you want to do is, of course, make sure we have iOS 16. This is only available for iOS 16 and above, which is actually a good one, which is the best since iOS 16 came out. It's actually good. So click on General tab right here to check if we have iOS 16 on our phone, and it will check for updates for a quick moment here. And as you can see, if you don't have iOS 16, just use another device that has iOS 16 or just download any from the App Store or the Tone Store right there. You need to pay. However, if you have iOS 16, just follow through, okay? So let me just skip this part right here because I'm aware that I have iOS 16 to save up time, okay? So from here, this is the app that we need, GarageBand right there. If you don't have that, please install the App Store. It's simply this application right here. So from here, open GarageBand, and this should be the landing page, right? For all the OGs right there, OG Apple users, I know you know this application. Please use this again. So we want to go to audio recorder. So from here, make sure, as you can see on this blue icon right here, I don't know what it's called, but it's colored blue, a triangular icon. Make sure it's colored white, okay? Unless it will not work. So from here, I want you to click on this icon right here. It's going to be the third one from left to right. It's like a brick icon right there. And from here, just click on this plus sign. It's right here, okay? Click on it, and then click on 8 bars right there. You want to make sure we are on 30. So one at a time, and you don't need to click on automatic toggle bottom right there. And then from there, click on this loop icon, the one in the middle. So as you can see, I already have a file MP3 which is uploaded on the GarageBand's file selection. If you don't have that, click on browse files right here and then click simply on the application or song that you want. So technically we need to have an MP3 or the song that's downloaded to our iPhone or device before this will work. Okay? So simply hold it and then drag it on the timeline. And from there, I think I did not drop it properly. Let me just try it again. And there you go. Now from here, click on this arrow icon right there. Let me just delete this other timeline. And then click on my songs right there. So I just technically saved it. This one right here, I want to hold it right there. Click on share. And then choose a format for this one, ringtone. If you click on this one, it will save as a ringtone. And now you can just simply set it up on the general settings earlier, right? So from here, let me just click on OK, go back on the general settings right there, make sure that choose sounds and haptics and choose a ringtone. So as you can see, I have that my song right there working perfectly, right? So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. Have a safe one, guys.